Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? Or maybe you're trying to save up for something big, but it feels like your finances have a mind of their own. If you've ever felt that disconnect between your financial goals and your everyday spending, then you're in the right place. We're going to talk about a tool that many people are using to bridge that gap, and that's Pocketguard. Now, you might be thinking, another budgeting app? What makes this one so special? And that's a fair question. There are tons of financial tools out there, each promising to revolutionize your money management. But Pocketguard has a unique approach that sets it apart, especially for those who want clarity without the complexity. It's designed to give you a crystal clear picture of your finances, not just what you've spent, but what you can spend right now without jeopardizing your bills or savings goals. So, what exactly is so special about Pocketguard? It boils down to 3 core strengths: its In My Pocket feature, its smart categorization and bill tracking, and its ability to help you easily identify opportunities to save. Let's start with the In My Pocket feature. This is truly the heart of Pocketguard. Unlike apps that just show you your current balance, Pocketguard goes a step further. It automatically calculates how much spendable money you have after accounting for upcoming bills, subscriptions, and even your savings goals. Imagine knowing, at any given moment, precisely how much you can comfortably spend on non-essentials without getting into trouble. No more mental math, no more guessing games. This feature provides a real-time, actionable number that empowers you to make informed spending decisions throughout your day. It's like having a financial advisor whispering in your ear, yes, you can afford that latte, or maybe hold off on that impulse buy for now. Next up is its intelligent categorization and bill tracking. We all know how tedious it can be to manually categorize every single transaction. Pocketguard uses smart algorithms to automatically categorize your spending, making it incredibly easy to see where your money is actually going. But it doesn't stop there. It's excellent at identifying and tracking your recurring bills and subscriptions. This means you'll never be caught off guard by a forgotten payment or an auto-renewal you didn't know about. It even helps you find opportunities to negotiate better rates on your bills, potentially saving you a significant amount over time. It's like having a personal assistant constantly monitoring your financial commitments. Finally, Pocketguard excels at helping you find opportunities to save. Beyond just showing you where your money is going, it actively looks for ways to optimize your spending. It can identify subscriptions you might be overpaying for or even those you're no longer using. It can also point out areas where you're consistently over budget, prompting you to adjust your habits. Furthermore, by giving you that clear In My Pocket number, it inherently encourages mindful spending, which is the first step towards saving. It's not about deprivation, it's about making smarter choices with the money you have. In essence, Pocketguard takes the guesswork out of personal finance. It simplifies complex financial data into an easily digestible format, giving you the power to understand your money better and make conscious decisions. It's about building a healthier relationship with your finances, one confident spending decision at a time. If you're looking for a tool that offers clarity, control, and actionable insights into your spending and saving, then Pocketguard is definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.